Example number 13. Given that P is equals to log 3 to base 2 and Q is equals to log 5 to base 2, then you'll be told to express log 0.3 to base 2 in terms of P and Q, isn't it? Yes. So the first thing, this 0.3, you must write it in a manner that it is in terms of 3 and 5 only, isn't it? Yes. It must be in terms of 3 and 5 only. So what is log 0.3 to base 2 in terms of 5 and 3 only? Can you express it in that manner? What is 0.3? It is 3 over 10, isn't it? 3 over 10. Then this. Go on and see. What else can you do to it to make it just in terms of 3 and 5 only? Because you can express 10 is the same as 2 times. So it is in terms of 3 and 5 only. Do you know why? Because these two, we have base 2. So the moment you will find a case of log 2 to base 2, automatically will be 1. Because a log of a number to the same base is 1. Meaning you are expressing in terms of what you are seeing here, 2, 3, and 5. That is the case we are now adding, isn't it? Because when you have 2 here, when you end up with log 2 to base 2, that is automatically 1, isn't it? So you must have 3, 2, or 5. Either the 3 only should be that problem, isn't it? Good. So from there, can we now deal with it? When you take the log inside, log 2 base 2, 3, then division changes to. Remember, there's something here where you go wrong is here. This is where you go wrong. What you do is this. When somebody gives you log A over BC, this is like saying it is just log numerator over denominator, which is log n. Division implies minus log d, isn't it? So if this denominator is BC, you take log inside again. So you have log n, your n was A, minus log, in bracket, what do you have here? Log, if you separate there is log B plus log. Are you seeing that? So the moment negative into positive will be negative. So you don't come here and say multiplication changes to addition. No. Anything in the denominator is subtraction. Are you seeing what I'm trying to say? Yes. Anything in the denominator is a subtraction, because negative into positive will take it to subtraction. So anything in the denominator is division. So it doesn't matter how many are multiplied in the denominator. What we know it is in the denominator, division. Are we together? Yes. Good. So from here we now have log 2 base 2, 3 is in the numerator. Then if you divide by 2, 3 divide by 2. Are you seeing? Meaning division is subtraction, isn't it? Yes. So that is minus log 2 to base 2. Then 3 you divide by 5 again, because 5 is in the numerator. Are you seeing that? Yes. Tuko pamoja? So it is minus log 5 to base 2. So you must spell it the way I've spelled it, that way. Meaning you do numerator separate with the denominator, because the denominator may also have multiplication or division, isn't it? Yes. Then you take the sign inside to affect the sign which is already inside, isn't it? Yes. Good. So from here, what do you do? What is log 3 to base 2 is? P. Log of a number to the same base is? 1. Then minus, what is log 5 to base 2? Q. So you've expressed this given problem 0.3 in terms of P and Q, isn't it? There's no any unknown there. That one is known, isn't it? Good. So that is how to handle a problem of that nature.